If you like Amazon India unboxing videos, then this video is definitely going to jiggle your magos. Hi, my name is Ivana, and in this video, I'm actually going to be unboxing a couple of Amazon India packages that I've received over the past few days. They contain makeup, some homeware, some clothing. So without further ado, let's get into it. Seriously, put a thumbs up if you like. Oh my gosh, this looks like a Halloween move. Put a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, because I love unboxing videos. Just recently, I've been watching a lot of advent calendars unboxing videos. So soothing. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh, I can already see some makeup. I'm so excited. Okay. Here I have the Color Bar acetone-free nail enamel remover with protein and vitamin B. I have been doing my nail polish, but I ran out of nail polish remover, so I really needed this. Then, my favorite concealer ever, the Maybelline Eraser Concealer. Oh, this one is so good, and I was so happy that I was able to get it on Amazon. Then we also have, for the first time ever, the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. This is the porcelain color. I really need a setting powder. Normally I would buy it when traveling back to the Netherlands because they have my favorite setting powder ever in the regular drugstores. It's a very cheap one, but it works so well for my skin. Obviously this year I'm not able to do that, so I have heard great stories about this one and I decided, let's try it out. Let's do this one. Always away from the body. La 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 la. Go. What is this? What is this? A lot of packaging for 2 whiskey glasses. I needed some proper glasses because we didn't have them, or I may or may not have broken them. So I got 2 of these because these are really nice. Oh, see, that's what I mean. I'm already almost breaking them. There we go. Let's be real, we're all drinking a little bit more because of Corona, so you need proper glasses to enhance your drinking experience. I will link all the stuff that I bought down in the description below. Third package! I made multiple orders, so I don't know what is in which box. Oh, okay, makeup wipes. Because that is also something that I had run out of and I really like. Makeup wipes, these are the Kaya ones and I haven't tried them before, so if they are nice, I will report back to you. Then I also have 2 kurtas, which I bought from my favorite brand called Olaya. Actually, the name says Aurelia, but fun fact, I used to work with a girl called Aurelia and she always told me, no, that is not how you pronounce it. You pronounce it like Olaya. And I was like, okay, sure, I'll take it. This is an amazing cotton kurta that I have already soiled with my makeup trying it on, but it doesn't matter because it looks absolutely amazing. The only downside with this kurta, in case you are interested, is that you really should buy it at least 1 size up and maybe even 2 sizes up. This is a small, which is 1 size bigger than I would normally buy. It's a little bit tight, but they didn't have a medium and I love it so much that I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna keep it. You can also very neatly roll up the sleeves and attach them here with a button. This is absolutely a perfect basic quality kurta for an amazing price. I was so surprised that Amazon was offering it at this price. 10/10 would recommend this one. Then I have another kurta, which is so gorgeous from the same brand, Olaya. Oh my gosh, this kurta is so freaking beautiful. Look at this. This is the golden print that is on it. It's just so Indian. I love it. I absolutely love it. This one is also a little bit on the tighter side, even though I bought it a size up. This is a small. So again, I would definitely recommend you to buy it at least 1 size up to 2 sizes up. I actually wish this was a medium, but I love it so much that I don't want to send it back. Again, absolutely amazing price for the quality that Olaya is offering, so 10/10 would recommend. And I'm back. A couple of days later, I have bought a new dupatta on Amazon. Actually, it is mad value for money when you look at the quality. With this new pink kurta that I bought, I actually wanted a pink dupatta. So I got this one It is so beautiful. The quality is great. It matches the bright hot pink color of that other kurta perfectly. So I am very, very happy with this dupatta. Then I placed a massive order actually on Bath and Body Works because they had a Black Friday sale where it was buy 2 candles and get 2 free. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I actually put up quite a lot of Instagram stories asking where to buy proper scented candles here in India, because after honestly doing hours and hours of research, I have found that the candles are usually very generic scents, or the design is not pretty, or they are extremely overpriced for some, you know, not really nice smelling candle. So I actually decided that, you know what, I've been looking for scented candles for so long. I know it's a massive splurge, especially for something that seems very insignificant like, you know, scented candles. But at the same time, this year, I'm not able to fly back to the Netherlands and visit my family. So I decided that at least in this small way, I do get to pamper myself and I do get to enjoy the holidays. I can't even get a Christmas tree because I'm moving and I don't want to, you know, get a Christmas tree for 2 weeks and then have to move the Christmas tree with me. These scented candles, consider them like a Christmas holiday gift for myself. The candles that I bought, and I have a massive box here that I received from Bath and Body Works. They shipped really, really fast. I think within a week, I already had all of the candles. I love the inside of the box, which is classic Bath and Body Works. And let me just show you all the candles that I got. This one is called Pumpkin Clove, and it smells exactly like the scent that I had in my mind. It's all of the pumpkin spice sweetness. It's almost too sweet, I have to say. When I'm burning this one, and as you can see, I have already been burning it, I think I have to turn it off. That's not how you say it with a candle, right? I have to blow it out. I have to blow it out after an hour because otherwise it becomes too sweet. But yeah, that's what Bath and Body Works is famous for, right? Really good original scents, but also mad value for money, because this candle has been burning for at least a week now, and yeah, it hasn't been dented even in terms of the quantity. The reason why Bath and Body Works candles are also really, really good is because the wicks are very good. When you have a little bit cheaper candles, the wicks are not good, and then actually your candle is worthless. You need pretty good wicks to make sure the candle keeps on burning evenly. Yes, I am actually preaching candle science here. You can also put the lid on them. The design is so festive and cozy, but I'll be moving on to the other candles because I'm raving too much about just one candle. Then we have a very famous one, I think. I have pumpkin apple here. I absolutely love the purple brownish color of this one. I mean, look at this label. This is pure luxury. It's so beautiful. Before also people start judging me, you know, some people really like to spend money on super fancy gadgets or those kind of things. I can really enjoy a good scented candle. So, you know, we all have our preferences on which, you know, we like to spend our money on. I also love the lid, which kind of has a design here, and it's black. It's insanely sweet. I think this one I would only burn for an hour as well because it's so sweet. I got 2 candles, which I actually didn't plan on buying. I only wanted like warm holiday scents, but then they were actually sold out. So I decided to get some other ones. This is Sparkling Pear Riesling. Again, look at the beautiful design. Look at this label. This is just gorgeous to have as home decor in your living room. There is a silver lid on this one, and it smells like those sour candies. So again, quite sweet, but this one is also a little bit more fresh. So good. Then the last one, which is actually the first one that I opened and started burning because I actually took it with me to Shangri-La Hotel here in Bangalore. It is the Aloha Kiwi Passion Fruit. Now, I have to honestly confess that I was the least excited about this one because I'm usually into warm holiday scents, very sweet, and this sounded quite fresh. It is fresh, but there's also this hint of sweetness to it. So if you are not into sweet scents, then actually I would recommend this one because it's more of a fresh laundry kind of scent. I have burned this one quite a lot of hours at the hotel. It's barely burnt in. Mad value for money, seriously. And it brings me so much joy. I can't even tell you, just smelling this candle, it just makes me warm and fuzzy inside. Scents are actually quite important. Did you know actually that 5-star hotels, or one of the criteria for 5-star hotels, is that they need to have a signature scent. So every single Shangri-La hotel that you walk in will actually have the same scent as a Shangri-La on the other side of the world. It's a criterion for a 5-star hotel. So that's how important scents are actually. So good. We are on to the final package. Wait, before that, I also bought this on Amazon because first I tried lighting these candles with matchsticks. Then I tried lighting them with a regular lighter. Don't do that. Just get one of these. They are quite inexpensive. They are super safe and absolutely the easiest way to light any kind of candle. So maybe even diyas if you're living in an Indian household. Diyas are oil lamps. This one was gifted to me from an organization that reached out to me. They are helping female artisans in Kerala to create beauty products. And I love supporting organizations like that whenever I can, obviously. They kindly offered me to send me some products so I can show you guys and share my experiences. And I am super excited because it's actually quite traditional beauty care with, yeah, you'll see. 2 seconds. Very well wrapped. Ooh. The organization is called Clove Organic. It is from Kerala. I will link the website down in the description below. Very well wrapped. Made in India, of course. I always love to support. And it is, ooh, look at this. I'm so sorry. The name is Clove Organic. I messed it up. Wyanad Wild Turmeric. So apparently this is extremely good for skincare. Here on the back, they are actually giving instructions on how to, make the face pack depending on the type of skin that you have. I've heard from other influencers that their skin was breaking out due to the face masks that we obviously all have to wear. And I was like, oh, I don't feel anything. Well, we have a pimple here. It's under my skin, and obviously I'm wearing makeup, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a very painful one under the skin. I never get pimples here, so I'm 100% sure that it's because of the face mask. And this is haldi, which is turmeric, the world's best high-altitude, one-of-its-kind natural remedy for skincare. It gently exfoliates and keeps your skin healthy, youthful and glowing. Regular use fights early aging and removes dead cells, blackheads, dark circles, pimples, and acne. It helps to correct pigmentation and reduce unwanted facial hair growth. Authentic Curcuma aromatica can be identified by its light brown color and faint camphor scent. Each bottle of Clove Organic is truly made organic, which is handpicked and handpacked by a lot of love and care. If you want to check it out for yourself, Clove Organics, I've linked them down in the description below, and I can't wait to try this. I honestly really love watching unboxing videos, and I may or may not have just created this channel to be able to do a lot of unboxing videos. So if you guys enjoyed this too, make sure to put a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!